time tried explain how it works, the 3D prototyping basic on the 3D printing. Every part who was designed on the virtual world inside the NX soft, we check before thinking about the real production, because before when we made these parts, we check on the all shape and surface size by this 3D printing machine. It is very simple, but we have access for the metal machines. We have a possibility per 1 or 2 days printing this parts, and we can check in the engine. This is a part of the engine. We can check this shape is right or not, and after that we can again redesign and again printing and checking the part before we start the production on the carbon fiber. This is all. The rest is only cutting, final finish, and sometimes we need by the milling machine reduce the size or milling the holes for the mounting points. About the 3D printing, this depends about the size first, because if we compare the size per hour, sometimes we, like the few weeks ago, we printing one part per over 3 days. It was the 82 hours, if I could remember. But sometimes in the small parts, after the 1-2 hours, we have ready to check the parts. It is only depends about the complex and the volume of these parts. How looks the benefits for this type of the prototyping? First, we have almost 100% right opinion about the quality of the shape, because parallelly with the correctly fitting, we have information this part is possible to assembly or not. We can make the step back for the redesigning, sometimes wrong radius on the surface because not looking good, not compare with the rest of the bike or car. And this printing model give us the back information. We made the right part, or we must work of this part again. But we don't losing a lot of time. Not very expensive for the money side, and I think it's the best way for the prototyping the parts before starting with the production.